Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking back at the Bespoke refrigerator at a design characteristic. I call it a design characteristic. This is what some viewers have written in to me about. It's about this door. When you open up this door on the beverage center side and you're loading food, it will not stay open. So it's just a characteristic. If you open up the beverage center outside door, the door within a door, it will stay open by itself. So if this bothers you, that might stop you from purchasing this refrigerator. But together they close by themselves. Now this other door on the other side, it will stay open when you load it. But again, like I said, this door here closes by itself. Now it won't close all the way by itself, so you have to make sure that you give it a little push there so that it'll close that secondary inside strip of a sealer that seals between the two doors, and that's all you have to do. We got used to it. It didn't cause us any problems. But I just thought I would make a short video about this because I had some viewers question whether it was normal or whether it's not normal. Well, as per everybody that's been writing in, it appears to be totally normal. Have a great day. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.